My first swimming lesson. Today was my first swimming lesson and I was so excited. I wore my new swimsuit and goggles. The swimming pool looked so big, but the instructor was really nice. First, we learned how to float on our backs. It felt funny at first, but I got the hang of it. Then we practiced kicking our legs in the water. The instructor told us to keep our legs straight and kick fast. I splashed a lot of water, but it was fun. After that, we learned how to blow bubbles in the water by putting our faces in. I was a little nervous at first, but I tried, and it wasn't scary at all. At the end of the lesson, I felt so proud of myself for learning new things. I can't wait for my next swimming lesson to get even better. Swimming is so much fun, and I love being in the water.